Hi, and welcome back to my own Utopia. And today I am going to help you, or at least show you, my way of how I try to make homemade socks, footies, whatever you're wanting to make, and try to make them semi non-slip for you at home. Very simple, very easy. Now, these socks right here I actually hand knitted. They are a wool and a nylon blend, completely 100% vanilla sock, as you can see here. I made this for my oldest son, and all you need is a simple puff paint that you can get from any store. You can get it from Hobby Lobby, Walmart. You can do it on Amazon or anything else like that. But it's the kind that you put onto your clothes. And so it's fabric paint, basically what you're looking for. So my son loves reds and pinks and stuff like that, so he has chosen this one right here. You need to also take a cardboard box cutting, like so. Trying to make sure this is in the view. Just cut it out to the size of your sock. So when you go from the tip of your sock down to the heel of your sock, so whenever you put it in, let's put this over to the side. As you can see here, I went down to the tippy toes. Take the cardboard, put it into the sock where the toes are, and move it on down. Flatten it out. So as you can see here, we have the tip of the toes, the heel flap, and the heel turn right here. You can pull it down. But as you can tell, it completely covered every inch of the foot, and even the side of the foot as well. So whenever you do the paint and when you're putting it on, if the individual has more difficulty where they're unbalanced or anything and you're needing to put it onto the side, that is a tip. So you can see this is the front, the toe, the ankle, and everything. Okay, so let's go ahead and move you on down and let's get started. Okay, so I always suggest to read the back or the instructions. It says pre-wash and dry fabric, no fabric softener, shake well, hold tip to surface, and squeeze gently, lay flat to dry for 4 hours. Fabric can be washed, turned inside out after 72 hours, lying dry. So it's saying do not put it into the dryer. So as you can see here, you can sit here and you can draw any design that you please. I got the big pack only because I have 3 wonderful boys plus big old family that I actually sit there and I make a whole lot of things for. So I'm going to be using the neon red. As you can tell, this is how he wanted it. You can be fun with this. Do what you please. I even went onto the very tippy heel. So, like he says, shake, 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 shake. And have fun with it. So, you can even do for Christmas. I don't know if, nope, didn't get dried. That's fine. You can always put it right on top. No big deal. So if we try to match it, even the kids can have fun doing something like this. My boys, they walk on their tiptoes, so I'm trying to get as close as I can to the toe. So what I did was I did zigzags, little dots, I'm going to go back in there and smush it in so it doesn't feel like you're standing on something difficult. So it's really in there, especially individuals that have sensory issues. It would help to just sit there and smush it in. And again, we're going back to zigzags. You can put cute little messages on there. You don't need to be pretty. It's just at the bottom of the feet. Now, I don't throw these in the washer. I wash these by hand because they're wool, hand knitted. Really don't want my work messed up. Even though I know I'm putting it on a child's foot. And there's really nothing to it. Not putting that much right here. He barely stands on that part of his foot. Now, he does end up using the heel of his foot a lot. So I'm going to do little dots like I did with the other sock. A little extra. And there you go. Because it's all smushed out, I'm going to just put it on this little dot right here. There you go. So that's it. I hope that helps. And like it said, to let it sit for 4 hours. Don't wash until 72 hours. And then you're all done. He's already tried it. He's already tried it on. He loves the way it feels, and it gives him a little bit of a grip. So it starts off like so, and it ends up looking just like this. So I hope everyone has a wonderful day, and until next time, blessed be you guys. Thank you.